In this video, I show you how to fix Instagram drawing option not showing or missing problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search for Instagram, tap on it, up to date your Instagram if available any update version. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now tap on search for Instagram, tap on Instagram, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now open Instagram app. Now log into your account. Now tap on message. Now tap on plus icon. You can see the drawing option, draw option. Now I can draw here. Now I hope that this method fix Instagram drawing option not showing or missing problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.